we're going to be installing this new piece. This goes around the headlight button. So right there, and then sit there, and then this goes all on the steering wheel. So around the buttons, and then the bottom part. And these are just some cup holder stuff that I'm just installing for whatever purpose. Got the carbon fiber in the front, the whole lip all the way across. Got the carbon fiber right there. Let me turn that down. Okay, copyright. Carbon fiber right there. Carbon fiber right there. And then I added it right there as well. So this whole 2-year carbon fiber.
Yeah, how did you guys start?
So I had this installed previously, just to put these in. It just basically so you're not getting your cup holders dirty. Went there. There's one. Ignore all the trash in the back, but there's one in that one. This was already installed. This was already installed, and then this is what we just added. So focus. Come on, there we go. This right here. So now it's kind of looking like carbon fiber steering wheel, and then as well as this piece right here. So these are real carbon fiber pieces from Crosslek. You can find them online. Pretty nice fit. Like if you look at the edges, there we go. So if you look at the edges, covers exactly what it's supposed to cover. This one is a little bit off. This center piece of tape right here that's on the back isn't sticking all the way, but it's not going to go anywhere. If you yank on it, you're good. This one fully covers all the plastic. There, go around. Sorry about the noise. We got my cousin's power washing, but yeah, like I mentioned, pretty for like $100 you can buy all these pieces. So it's not too expensive, and then you could buy, so some of these parts are real and then some of them are fake carbon fiber. Like this one for example is fake. I couldn't find one that was real and then looked this good and molded to the piece like this one did. So this one is fake. The front lip is a fake lip, I believe, off eBay. The real ones are like $400, $500, and as low as the car is, if I ever smack it, it doesn't hurt my soul that much. But the rear diffuser is a real one, and that's because I know that if I did scrape it, which is very unlikely, that it would be okay. But the front lip I scrape almost every day driving, small speed bumps, whatever, so makes a big difference. I'm over here trying to record and the hell are y'all doing? Yes sir. Y'all good? Y'all tired? But yeah, so now we got the interior done, all the pieces in. Just clean the whole car. Showed you guys the carbon fiber lip earlier. Dude, white gets dirty so quick. And I got the wicker bill in the back. That's gonna be gone soon. Got some more plans with that. And then got my 11-inch wheels for the back. Gonna need some 295s or 3 or 5 tires for that. Pretty damn expensive. $400 for a pair. But at least I can get traction for the first time since I've been driving this car. Scary as hell in the rain for real. But once we get that, we should be good. Hopefully I'll have that in the next 2 weeks. Like I said, the wicker bill is going to be gone. got some plans for that. Gonna go with a little bit different route. Everyone has a wicker bill, so thinking I might go a little bit different. But we'll see when that comes.
With my family, in the middle of the streets with my family. Brick hand to death for my family. Brick to my family.
That's how they gun sound. That's how